Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. So I know I haven't made a Crypto.com video in a long time, but we're going to do some Crypto.com news. A lot of this you may already know, but I'm going to go over it anyways because Crypto.com spreads news and bullish news constantly every single day. Sometimes it's just you can't keep up with it unless you are literally only involved in CRO or CRO, and I'm sure a lot of you are involved in other projects as well that you're bullish on. So anyways, I'm going to get it to the nitty-gritty of the most bullish news that I can find that has happened in the past couple months, or maybe just the past month or so. All right, so first things first, you can now mint your own NFTs on crypto.com/NFT. It's open for all users to apply and be a creator. You might not get accepted. I'm not too sure. I haven't tried applying, and I'm not much of an artist, so I don't know if it basically is anyone can get in, or if you have to be talented and show your actual artwork of good art. But I actually know someone who did get in. And another thing, I'll show you his artwork soon. Crypto.com NFT introduces offers. You can now make an offer to the owner of an NFT you want to purchase, which is pretty cool because I think what it's saying is if the artist themselves is saying $20 for their NFT, you can decide, well, I don't know, I want to do $10 and then offer it to them and see if they accept it or not. So that's pretty cool. Next up is his NFTs. So this is my friend's NFTs. He is creating them. He actually sold one NFT. I wonder if I can go to the creator. Okay, the Scary Monster. This is the one he actually sold for, I think, $10. He has one edition minted. He has a few that only have one edition minted, like Exploding Golem, Sea, Captain. Oh, he misspelled it. Okay, I'm gonna have to tell him that. Anyways, maybe that, or maybe he meant to do that. I don't know. And then Alien Menace, 10 editions on this one, and 10 editions for the Crypto Cryptids Mothman, which is a pretty cool one. Yeah, pretty cool. All right, anyways, I'll have his stuff linked down in the description. If you want to buy any of his NFTs, he plans on doing a character collection of a crypto theme. So, and it's going to be pretty cool. I don't want to give too much out of what his plans are on it, but it will be pretty exciting. And he's starting to get more involved in NFTs, and he's always been a big artist and doing commissions for people and stuff like that. And I don't mean big artist as in he's a big artist in himself, but I just mean he's always been into art for a long time or whatever. You guys don't know what I meant. Anyways, let's move on to more crypto news. Sorry, there was a little advertisement right there. I was not paid for that. I'm just my friend's NFTs. All right, anyways, crypto purchase feature now is available in the Crypto.com DeFi wallet. So this is really bullish, personally. I find that, at least. Was that even English? I don't know. All right, so you can now purchase crypto directly with a debit or credit card through the DeFi wallet, which is honestly amazing because I think with traditional banks, you can be under 18 and have a bank account open and have a debit well, I don't know about credit card, but I know you can at least have a debit card, I think, when you're 15, 16. So if that's the case, you can now buy crypto on the DeFi wallet because it's non-custodial. You don't need to be 18 or over to sign up on how you do the Crypto.com app. You have to be 18 or over. The DeFi wallet, you just have to have a credit or debit card. So it's literally perfect. Yeah, so this is literally amazing, and it's really easy to do. I watched the videos and I went into the app. Super simple, and I really liked that. Oh, this is also really bullish because it gives people another way to buy CRO or CRO way easier. Because I'm just gonna call it CRO for now, but CRO is just so hard, right, to buy. Because you purchase in the Crypto.com app, well, sometimes there's a fee because your bank charges you international transaction fee because it's they're based in Hong Kong or whatever, and then also sometimes it's just the spread on the Crypto.com app is so high because you're supposed to use the exchange, but the exchange is not available in the US until it's Q4 now, so it's supposed to come out this quarter in 2021. So if it does, that's going to be really bullish for CRO as well because you're going to be able to buy CRO for very cheap and a lot of it at once and very easily on the exchange. But at least you can buy CRO very easily now on the DeFi wallet. It's super simple and easy. So that's really bullish for CRO. All right, next up, I'm not too sure how I feel about this with how it was done. But anyways, Paris SaintGermain, I think it's called, names Crypto.com as the club's first official cryptocurrency platform partner. So, it says they announced a multi-year partnership agreement with the world's fastest crypto growing platform, Crypto.com. Crypto.com will be the official cryptocurrency platform partner of the Parisian club, and the partnership will also include the release of exclusive non-fungible tokens on Crypto.com's native NFT platform. But the thing is, this says, in addition, for the first time ever for an agreement of such a scale, Crypto.com will pay a significant portion of the sponsorship fee using the cryptocurrency token CRO. I don't know how I feel about that. I know this was done like over a month ago, and I don't think the price crashed to CRO, but when you're paying for things in the token CRO, usually means you're converting it to fiat and it's not staying in that token, and it sounds like sell pressure then. So some people take that as utility, and that's a good thing because it advertises out CRO. If you pay someone in CRO, they might take that token and then after, they're gonna have to mess around with it and figure out how to convert it to fiat, or just hold on to it or whatever, or learn what it is and then be bullish on it and buy more. But yeah, for me, I don't know how I feel about that. It sounds like it could be kind of like making the price go down if they sell it. Anyways, let's move on. So Crypto.com expands free crypto tax reporting service to the UK. And I know this doesn't sound like too much of a big deal, but when Crypto.com has these free crypto tax reporting services, and they have it like in all these different countries and states and all that, it's I guess it's in every single state because they just have it for the US. But anyways, when they move it to other countries and stuff, I find it very bullish because people are more likely to sign up for an exchange that makes their taxes very easy with buying and selling. Because one reason people might not want to get into crypto is due to the taxes, and they don't want to get into any legal trouble with the IRS or SEC or anything like that, But when this, Crypto.com literally has a free crypto tax reporting service, that makes it a lot easier, and people are less likely to freak out and more likely to buy crypto and feel more confident in it. So that's really bullish for Crypto.com to get more users involved in the crypto. Cryptocom Pay launches the new recurring payment feature. This is not too important, but I just thought it was pretty interesting since, it's just Cryptocom Pay features 0 transaction fees and only 0.5 for settlements, and 80% savings on fees compared to typical payment processors. And the integration only takes minutes for merchants to complete. So I thought it was pretty cool just because I think, recurring purchases was kind of one of the downsides that you couldn't do, but now you can. So that's kind of cool. All right. So next up, Crypto.com expands insurance program to one of the industry's largest at $750 or US. How do you even say that? $750 million US. I don't know why they word it like that. Okay. Anyways, Crypto.com announced that it has expanded its total insurance coverage to $750 million after increasing its policy coverage led by ARC underwriting. So this renewed policy is effective September 6, 2021. It makes Crypto.com's insurance program one of the largest in the industry. This policy is the largest coverage that Crypto.com has ever secured for its cold storage assets on Ledger Vault, the company's custodial partner. It brings Crypto.com's total cryptocurrency insurance to $750 million US, including both direct and indirect custodian coverage. So it says Crypto.com's more than 10 million users can rest assured knowing they are protected by one of the industry's biggest insurance policies, offering protection against physical damage or destruction and third-party theft. So this is pretty bullish as well. The only downside is generally insurance coverage has to do with fiat. So I think that can either be for your debit card balance with Visa, their debit card, or it can be just on your fiat wallet. But I'm pretty sure this insurance coverage isn't necessarily crypto in general, but I'm not really 100% sure. But generally speaking, if your crypto gets lost and stuff or stolen, usually you're not going to get any money back for that. Okay, so next up, this is pretty bullish. So Fnatic and Crypto.com enter a historic partnership. So Fnatic, I know them as a gaming, gaming team. So I used to watch CSGO all the time. And so I knew them as just a CSGO team. Let's see. It just says about Fnatic, about Crypto.com, and it gives all the details about their stuff. It says the multifaceted partnership will see Crypto.com's logo featured on the collarbone of Fnatic's team jerseys. Fnatic will also offer numerous rewards and money can't buy experiences, including with existing Crypto.com partners. For Crypto.com users purchasing Fnatic goods, the partners will also launch new digital products such as exclusive Fnatic NFTs in the future. So it seems like all these deals they're doing, they're going to basically have Crypto.com being advertised, whether it be somewhere like in a boxing ring or on the ice rink for hockey or on their jerseys, and then also NFT related stuff as well. So Philadelphia, what's that? Philadelphia 76ers announced Crypto.com, the fastest growing crypto platform, is team's official jersey patch partner. So this is pretty cool too. They're just, we can see that Crypto.com just keeps on partnering with all these different, whether just like different, what do you call it? Like gaming and dancing and, like sports and all these different genres. So it's pretty cool that, they're doing like, they've done soccer and they've done stuff with football and hockey and literally everything. So Crypto.com is just doing so much advertising and putting themselves out there so much. It's insane. All right. So next up, for the most bullish things, at least I am most bullish on, is going to have to be the Cronos mainnet launching on October 19th. So Cronos is the EVM chain running in parallel to the Crypto.org chain. It aims to massively scale the DeFi ecosystem by providing developers with the ability to instantly port dApps from Ethereum and EVM compatible chains, with funding from Particle B's 100 million EVM fund and access to 10 million plus user base of the Crypto.com ecosystem. So that is honestly really bullish, as Cronos phase 2 is, coin issuance and Ethereum virtual machine, native coin issuance, and interact with sidechain and execute ETH-based smart contracts. So phase 2 is, Cronos, and so it's launching on October 19th. So that is, because it's the EVM chain right here. So that's honestly really bullish. I'm really excited for that this month. So I expect CRO to go up in price. Another thing is Cronos is now integrating band protocol for scalable and customizable decentralized oracles. This happened August 12th. So I think Crypto.org chain has also partnered with Chainlink. But Cronos is integrating band protocol. So this is pretty cool. So yeah, I think that's really it. So yeah, that's really it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And one thing I want to say is I'm still really bullish on CRO, and we can see all these partnerships and all the stuff that Crypto.com is still pushing and doing. And NFTs, are still really great, and I like what they're doing with NFTs on Crypto.com. And my friend who just started NFTs recently literally sold an NFT. Let's see if I can find it right here. Scary Monster. You can see select edition and see the owner right here. This guy owns it. He owns a few NFTs right here, and he bought one from my friend. So NFTs are just so amazing. At least I find them amazing, and the fact of how much money you can really make from them if you're a good artist and you do some good advertising and stuff. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more future content like this, and I'll have my friend's NFT section or our website profile linked down in the description, and I'll see you guys later in my next video.